My name is Rupali.
What do you like and hate about Hyderabad?
I've lived here basically all my childhood. So one thing I really like about this place is food. I also like. I think people here are very relaxed. They don't seem to get into each other's business, and that's something I like about this place too.
What do you hate about Hyderabad?
Honestly, nothing comes on top of my mind. The only thing that comes is probably traffic these days. It's quite a lot.
What are the red flags that you see in a guy?
I mean, I wouldn't say a guy. I have a few things that I keep in mind whenever I'm meeting anybody, be it making a friend also. Somebody that doesn't have other friends, somebody that keeps telling that, oh, this person hates me, everybody hates me, someone like that. Someone who doesn't like to get into the details. Let's say we're just having a regular conversation, they would say something like, I don't want to talk too much about this, but let me tell you this. I feel like that could also be a red flag. Another thing is, yeah, I guess that's it.
Green flags, what are the green flags that you see?
Someone who likes to communicate a lot. I mean, people generally say we don't want clingy people. I think I would prefer a clingy person because I like to communicate and hear things from them rather than it being like a half conversation. Another green flag would be someone who is generally excited about things, like even if it's a regular Sunday, let's go out somewhere, let's probably sit and watch an interesting movie. Someone who likes to do things rather than just sitting around. Someone who pays attention to understanding who you are as a person, understand your hobbies, even if it is something they might not be good at. Yeah, I think these are my top 3 things.
Okay, and what are you grateful for in 2025?
I think 2025 for me was a foundation year. As I grew up older, I learned a lot of things that I had to unlearn and learn new things about me, set my own morals. So I'm pretty grateful for, I would say, myself, because I feel like my mindset has changed a lot and I like having an open mind now. So I would say myself and people around me, obviously. I think my friends call me out every time I'm being even a little bit toxic or even a little bit fixed. They would always call me out and say, hey, you need to rethink that. So, yeah.
What are you looking forward for in 2026?
2026, I think I need to go out there more, like go to new places. I haven't traveled in a very long time. Do things that make me a little scary. So I think 2026, I wish it to be more adventurous. Yeah.
Tell me how much is in your bank without telling me how much is in your bank.
I think if I got laid off today, I would survive for 6 months. Yeah.
One last question. If tomorrow you had an option to choose arranged marriage or love marriage, what will you choose and why?
I think I would choose love marriage. Although I've seen a lot of love marriages around me fizzle apart, but I would still choose love marriage because I think arranged marriages in India are not openly spoken about. Like all the red flags that come along with arranged marriage, they're not spoken about a lot. A lot of it has not changed. So I would prefer a love marriage.
One last question for sure. How much is your outfit worth?
Okay, most of my clothes are pretty old. I think this would be around 500. These are Bliss Club pants. These cost around 1,500. And my shoes are 2,000 and this is around 3,000. So I don't know if you can edit and put a price.
Thank you so much. That was fun.